Here's how to check if your device is using a metered connection or not. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings option of your phone, either Android or iPhone, and navigate yourself to the Wi-Fi or network options. Afterwards, you will see there the Wi-Fi or internet connection that you're currently connected with. And from there, you will see there if the status is metered. So as you can see, as I scroll down to the Wi-Fi connection that I'm currently connected in, metered status has not been shown. It means that my Wi-Fi connection or the connection that I'm having right now is not metered. However, you can go ahead and copy the router number from the about options of the Wi-Fi that you're currently connected in and search is the router number a metered connection. And as you can see, the Google will answer you that the IP address that you paste there is not inherently a metered connection and it is a private IP address. So that is how you check if the internet you have or the connection you have is a metered connection or not.